Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Talsma, Dynamics 365 CRM Product Manager here at Interdyne BMI Columbus, and today I'm bringing you an Introduction to Advanced Finds Part 2. So this is a Part 2 to a video I created previously. If you're brand new to Advanced Finds, I'd recommend checking that one out first. It kind of gets you from that ground level grassroots understanding, and now I'm trying to help you learn how to create more complex Advanced Finds. So we're going to start off where we left off in our last video, with our Minnesota active accounts view. So again, I'm going to click my advanced find button here, and you'll see this query that we created last time. And again, we're going to have to click details first. If you want to change that, it's a personal setting to have this details clicked by default, but I'm going to click details, and let's talk a little bit about what we have here. So last time we created a view where our status equals active and our state/province equals MN. So really what we're trying to say right now is that both of these criteria must be true for an account to show up on our list. Now, we have the ability to create OR conditions as well. So if one of two things are met, have those added to the list. So for today, our example, we're going to try to find all of our accounts that are MN and CA for California. So I want to find all of my accounts that are either in Minnesota or California. So I'm going to start off the same way I did last time. I'm going to click on my bottom line here. And I'm going to add another state/province, and I'm going to say it equals CA. So right now, nothing is going to show up in our results because we're saying we need to find all active accounts that are in Minnesota and California. So obviously with the way we have our system configured, that's impossible. So now we need to have a way to say, okay, if they're in Minnesota or California. So I'm simply going to select my two rows. So I'm going to select my first row and now my second row. And I'm going to say group these as OR. So you'll see this pop open. So now we're saying status must equal active, and it must be in either Minnesota or California. So when I click results, you'll see we have a few more even added from our just Minnesota list. And you can see it's this one right here. So Fabricam's in California, so it showed up on our advanced find. So again, now that we have our advanced find, we can do all of our things that we want to do with it. So we can, export our accounts to Excel. If we want to edit multiple of these at the same time, I can click the ones I want to edit and click edit. But let's go through kind of some of the other more common questions that we get. So I'm going to save this as Minnesota/California active accounts and click save. So now this is going to add it to my personal views that I showed you how to create last time. Now, the key word there is that it's a personal view, right? So we want to be able to share this with other users. So let's say, me and somebody else are managing a Minnesota-California territory. I can simply click Saved Views, and if I click Refresh, it should show up on my list, and there it is. So I'm going to click this and then simply click Share, and let's say I want to share this with my counterpart, Jeff Spain. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Jeff, and click his name, select, and add. And now this would give him permission just to view this new saved view. But if I want to be able to give him more permissions to make changes to it, I can give it right. If I want him to be able to share it further, I can click that. So that's all I'm going to do for now, and simply click share. And now when he logs in and goes to his accounts, he can see this personal view as well. So with that, we've gone through the OR conditions. Again, if I want to add more conditions, I can simply just keep clicking them down the list here. We've already gone over editing columns, so if you want to add more columns to this, this is where you would do that. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. This is kind of the basics. Learn to play with it. It's a very easy tool. Again, it's programming made as simply as possible, so there's not a single line of code that goes into here. I think you'll very quickly get the hang of it, but again, if you need additional training, don't hesitate to reach out to us. So with that being said, again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the contact info provided on the screen and in the description. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.